Hey everyone, my name is Jake Anderson, Global Application Engineer, and I'm here today to show you how to wet install 3M protection wrap film. Let's go. For the best results, ensure the vehicle has a like new finish. Any imperfections like scratches, dents, rust, and orange peel will show through the film. A clean installation environment is crucial. Keep the area free of dust and debris, and consider wearing lint-free clothing. Apply Meguiar's M210 finishing polish around all edges, followed by cleaning all surfaces and edges with a microfiber cloth and 70-30 isopropyl alcohol and distilled water mixture. Measure the wrap area and cut film to size. To start, we recommend misting the liner and cap sheet with water to reduce static cling. Make sure to remove the cap sheet prior to installation. When applying this film using this wet installation method, a distilled water or tack solution can be used for more slide. Do not exceed the ratio of 15% isopropyl alcohol to distilled water. Gently spray both adhesive side and the film side, as well as the installation area on the vehicle. Gently lay and cold stretch the film over the installation area, keeping it taut and flat to minimize wrinkles. Use a PPF squeegee to thoroughly remove all installation solution from underneath the film. Work in overlapping strokes, following PPF installation techniques. Make sure to spray the top of the film with the installation solution. This helps the squeegee slide across the film. Although this video highlights the wet installation method, keep in mind that certain areas of the vehicle might be better suited for a dry installation approach. Finish by trimming the excess film and heat setting all the corners and edges to 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Fold the film around all edges. This ensures the film stays in place over time. And that's a wrap on how to wet apply 3M protection wrap film. For more tips and techniques, visit our website.